clinic, except I usually don't wear a suit. All right, so Parker, first I'd like to give you this certificate of achievement. It says that as of November 13th, 2015, you completed your cancer treatment, and let it be known that we are very proud of you and your achievements. Then all the nurses who have an organization to learn about kids with cancer and take care of them, they have a program where they get medals for kids because you run a long, hard race to get to that point, and everyone who does that is a true champion. And so this medal says, a victory for today, a challenge for tomorrow. So congratulations on completing that. And then we have a special woman who likes to bake cookies for us. And as we've added this as another part of our deal. And in typical nurse practitioner Sherry Lee fashion, we give you this because you are a superstar. Now I'm going to get your mother to take these so that you have your hands free. And I guess we're going to ask everyone to help read along with us on the poem that we're going to talk about, and it's you can see it right down there. Parker, are you ready to? Are you ready to repeat it with me and with the whole audience? All right, you ready to start? We'll start.
Ring this bell 3 times well. It's told to clearly say, my treatment's done, this course is run, and I am on my way.
I'm going to make one announcement here. What we'd like everyone to do, some of you have already found it. At your place, please find the bell. Every one of us has one. And Parker, what we're going to do is we're going to wait for you to ring the bell 3 times, and all of us are going to join in with you, and that's our way of celebrating your moment with you. Are you okay with that? All right, good, he is. All right. So, Doctor,